What's good, guys? Your boy Full Throttle Josh. We're back here again. Today we're gonna get the top end done. Cylinder head, cam chain, cam. We're gonna get all that shit done today. So let's jump into it. That's my new DR200 right there. Now I have two of them. My buddy was selling it, so I said fucking bought it. Got it. Yes. Gotcha, bitch. Point this circlip facing away, just like that. All right, let's get the cylinder on. This on. Let's coat this cylinder with some oil. Ugh. Okay. One. Last side in. This is all in. New fish. The cam chain out. Alright guys, I got the piston installed, cam chain. Alright guys, we got the cylinder head installed with the gaskets and the cylinder. Sorry I didn't get a video of me installing the cylinder head or a video of me putting the motor in. I've been having weird issues with my GoPro. Still trying to figure this thing out. And we got a gasket. So right now we're just gonna throw this gasket on here, throw that cover on, and then we'll go from there and finish putting everything together. Alright, no, it wasn't that bad. Alright. So next is this thing. I was telling you that Twitch gave me his bike. Duh.
Yeah, that's great.
Damn, are you stressing about Sweden or no?
Am I what?
Are you stressing about Sweden or no?
No, I don't care. I'm sure I'll be fine.
You hope so.
I don't care, bro. Yeah. Well, I'm still trying to get my account funded. I've only been doing it for a month.
Alright guys, we got this side installed here. This cover with this gasket, everything's screwed down. We'll just keep going. We're gonna keep sanding it. Let's get them in the cylinder head. First, just get the washers in. So it goes copper, copper, steel, steel, copper right here. Next copper out here. Yeah. And then if I drop this in the case, it's gonna be so sad. Steel, and then steel. This goes out here. We have this one here. And the last one right here. I'm trying to install this clip. Hopefully it just plops right in, just like that. Next, we're gonna rotate this to top dead center. Alright guys, I'm gonna rotate this first because it's gonna be impossible for you guys to see anyway. Alright, got it right where we want it. Lobes are facing down, this is to the side. That looks pretty spot on. Yep. Still got Loctite on there. I wanna get this fucking build done already, dude. Let me make sure this is really fucking on there. Yep, that's fine. Alright. Next we install the cam chain tensioner. Goes in like this. Okay. What's next? Next is the valve cover. Oh, I gotta RTV this thing. Should have got this thing in first. There we go. Alright guys, I'm gonna get these bolts on here and then we'll be right back. I'm pretty sure you guys don't want to see me put 30 fucking bolts on here. Alright, so this is one thing that's fucked me is this. So I stripped this trying to get it out. So before I can even do the valve clearance, I have to get this fucking thing off. Nothing. Alright. bitch. Finally got it. That's one thing I hate about this fucking bike. Is this. You know what sucks? All the older bikes have this. CBs and shit that I worked on. They all have this, and it's a fucking cunt. And next we're just gonna do the valve clearance on this. Slight drag, we're gonna call it a day. Next is this one here. Guys can't probably even see this because of my shitty lighting situation, so I apologize. It's a slight drag. You know what? We're gonna leave it. You always have to, I mean, for me at least, once I do this shit, I run the bike for like a week and then I'll check the valves again and I'll reset the valves. But right now, this should be fine enough for what I'm gonna do. All right, guys, we got everything done here. Top end, bottom end, kickstart installed, ready to go. I'm not gonna do a video of me buttoning the whole entire thing up. If you wanna see that, I have another video of me doing the same thing before when I put all Chinese parts on here. So after I get everything buttoned up, then I'll shoot a video. My next video after this is gonna be the first fire, the first time I started in front of you guys, and a test ride. I'm gonna get to work. I'm gonna get everything all buttoned up. Hopefully this weekend I'll have this bike running. That'll be it, and we'll go from there, guys. Full throttle Josh out. Deuces.